Welcome back. It's a new year, and that means it's time for a new you. We often talk about it on this show, how technology has made it very simple to look young and feel healthy. Dr. Tess Mauricio of Scripps Ranch Dermatology is here with us this morning to talk about one of her newest treatments gaining a lot of popularity. Thank you so much. She's a favorite of the show. Thanks for being here this morning. And look at her. She's ready for the Charger game, too. Right. I love it. Thank you so much for showing your team spirit.
Oh, absolutely.
Okay, so usually we're talking about treatments on the face, and I love that you've brought in this great example this morning because I feel like it's really going to hit home with a lot of our viewers.
Right.
What exactly are we talking about today?
This is VelaShape2, and this is the most recent sort of update in body shaping that's non-surgical.
Okay.
And we have a lot of patients coming in, and now New Year's, they're losing weight, they're exercising, but yet they're still having to deal with loose skin, they're still having to deal with cellulite, and also after the baby, a lot of moms are coming in saying, what can I do? I don't want a tummy tuck. What's the solution? And this is it.
And it's neat because a lot of people are told exercise and eating right can take care of it, but that is not always the case.
That's really not true. And even the crunches that the boys
doing earlier.
We're doing here, yes, because that will build up the muscle, but the skin above it is still going to be loose. Yes, and this, what it does is it heats the skin and it builds new collagen, and it works through radio frequency, it works through infrared and suction, all the latest technology that we've held pioneer in our clinic, and we train different centers and physicians to do it, and the patients get really great results. Very excited.
Getting a lot of buzz. Let's go right to it. Yeah, Sarah's our brave patient that came in today. Sarah, you've already had it done.
Yes,
I'll ask you a couple questions in just a moment, but let's first just tell us how it works. What are you doing exactly?
Okay, so this is basically the treatment, and it's very easy.
You see her pulsing a little bit there.
Right.
That's what it's supposed to do.
So there's suction, and you see that the skin's slightly red. We are increasing the temperature of the skin. So when you do that, you actually build collagen, and that's what causes the tightening, toning, and body shaping that Sarah said she loved.
Now, while we're seeing this, I think we also have some before and afters of a patient that you had sent us to just show how great this works. There you go, right there.
And this is, she's really typical, this patient's typical of after the baby, and she has some stretch marks, loose skin, and she wanted some body shaping. She didn't like that her hips were sort of, you know, bulging when she wears her low pants, right? All of us hate that, and this just allows you, the VelaShape2 allows you to fit so much better in your clothes. And it encourages you really to work out because you see results much more than what the muscles can do. It
encourages a little bit more. Sarah, what are you feeling right now? Can you explain to our viewers what it feels like?
It feels really comfortable. There's a little bit of heat, but nothing, really uncomfortable.
Do you feel the suction at all? Does that feel weird?
Yeah, you do, but it's not anything that you can't handle. It's actually very light.
And now, I know, Tess, you say that obviously the stomach is an area a lot of women care about, but the buttocks, the thighs, we can do all that too, right?
Everything. And we start from head to toe. And, personally, I get treated basically all the way down because it really helps. And it shapes your body, and it's not surgery. So it's just an office visit. And it's very relaxing. Actually, a lot of patients really like it, right, Sarah?
Yeah, I love it.
I love it. It gives you a chance to lay down, right?
Yes.
Great afterwards.
And our clinic, like I said, pioneered this technology, and patients, when they come to us, will know that they will get results because, unfortunately, this is a type of technique that is very operator dependent as far as the results that you get.
Okay, so it's about you coming in, following up, making sure.
And also the person who's doing it has to be an expert so that you will get results. You're not wasting your time and money.
So here she is, ladies and gentlemen. Real quick before we go, I want to get to those specials because she is a friend of the show. She's got some great specials for our people at home. Tell us about that.
There are great specials for our Channel 6 viewers. There's $200 off their VelaShape series. So that's going to get them started. They'll love it. Even after the first treatment, they'll see improvement. And then we have a lot of free things going on in the clinic, free Dysport, free Restylane. Check out the website. Give us a call.
We have a link on our website right now with all those specials and everything. So, Doctor, thank you so much for coming in.
Absolutely. Pleasure to be here.
I'm sure a lot of people excited to see something like this. How do you feel? Feeling all right?
I feel great.
She looks relaxed. All right. Thank you so much, and go Chargers.
Go Chargers. That's right.
All right. Of course, for more information, you can go to our www.scripsderm.com or to san diego6.com. Click on Hot Topics. We have all the specials right there.